Lesson 3. Ordering food naturally. Here are 4 options. Option 1. Could I have, for example, could I have the scrambled eggs, please? Option 2. I'll have, very common and casual. I'll have the scrambled eggs, thank you. Option 3. I'll go for, it sounds very natural. I'll go for the continental breakfast, thanks. And option 4. Can I get informal but widely used? Can I get the scrambled eggs and some orange juice?
And if you change your mind while ordering, use the word actually. For example, I'll have the fruit. Actually, no. I'll go for the full breakfast. It sounds completely natural.
Exactly. So, listeners, let's practice. Imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter asks, "What would you like?" Say out loud, "I'll have the scrambled eggs, please." Or, "Could I have the scrambled eggs, please?" Now, before we wrap up, I want to talk about what to do when you've already made a mistake. Because let's face it, mistakes happen. The key is how you recover.
Yes, the recovery is everything. Native speakers make mistakes too. The difference is that they recover naturally and confidently.
Exactly. For example, when I was checking out of the hotel, the receptionist asked, "Did you enjoy your stay?" I meant to say, "Yes, it was lovely, thank you." But what I actually said was, "Yes, it was very adequate."
Adequate? Oh no, that's like the least enthusiastic compliment ever.
I know, but I caught myself and said, "Sorry, I really enjoyed it. My English let me down just then. It was a wonderful stay, thank you so much." And she laughed. It turned into a lovely moment.
That's such a great example. My English let me down just then is a brilliant recovery phrase. It's self-aware, charming, and keeps the conversation moving.